Hey everyone, today we're making cupcakes, the real kinds, not the box kind. Let's get started.
Let's make yummy cupcakes! First, add flour, baking powder, and salt into a mixing bowl. In a separate one, add softened butter and sugar. Looks good! Mix them together until softened. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Add eggs while mixing. 2 eggs. Add in the second one. This is going to taste really good. Mix them together. Now do vanilla extract. Add into the bowl. Now add your dry ingredients into your liquid ingredients and mix them together. This is your batter. Keep adding until mixed fully. This is so fun. Now add kefir, 1 cup. Mix them together. This is going to be really good. And it's finished. I can smell them already. Add the batter into the cupcake tins. Add an even amount. Now place in the oven for 20 minutes. Great! Cut 1 pound of strawberries. We're gonna boil them. They look good. Place your cut up strawberries into a pot and add a 1/3 cup sugar. With some squeezed lemon. Nice. Now we're gonna cook them. Bring the strawberries to boil. Time for frosting. In a bowl, add cream cheese and powdered sugar. Yum! And now mix them. I love frosting. Oh, they're ready. Take them out of the oven. It's hot. Make sure they're ready. These look good. For the frosting, add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Smells so good. And a cup of whipping cream. Yum! Mix them together until they're fluffy and thick. Whoa, that looks great. Take your cupcakes out. Yum, I love cupcakes. Poke a hole into them. Smells great. The strawberries are ready. Whoa. Now into the hole, put the strawberries. Yum! These are gonna be so good. Now, put the frosting into a plastic bag. This is my favorite part. Time for frosting. Whoa, those look good. They're done. For toppings, you can add strawberries. These are so good. I can't wait to eat them. All done. Enjoy.